Hi everyone! Greetings from the warm heart of Africa. My name is Tautvydas and I'm Drones and Data Specialist with UNICEF Malawi. It's been a pleasure and privilege to join this year's Airwards judging panel. For 2 years in a row, Airwards team has provided an excellent platform to identify, recognize and champion the positive use of drones. This year we have received plenty of very high quality submissions in a range of different categories. But now the moment has come. I'm here to announce the winner of the Delivery Category Award in the Operations Group. And the winner is Swoop Aero for their submission of creating the future of air logistics. Congratulations!
Hi, I'm Eric Peck, CEO of Swoop Aero. On behalf of my team, we're proud to be nominated for the Airward in the drone delivery category, which recognises the hard work and dedication of our 70-strong crew over the last 4 years. Since 2019, the Swoop Aero crew and technology has enabled over 14,000 operational flights across 7 countries, delivering over 750,000 items by drone. We're excited to continue scaling our service across the world, and thank you again for the nomination.